Do you know that you can get views even with 0 subscribers? Like, I am using this my channel as an example. When I created this channel a few months ago, I just left it there. Nobody subscribed. Not until my other channel got rejected from YPP and I came to this particular channel to start afresh. The first day I uploaded a video on this channel about 3 weeks ago, I had 0 subscriber. Now, if you look at the oldest video on this channel, which I uploaded about 3 weeks ago, that video has over 300 views. Now, I uploaded that video with 0 subscriber. I know you're gonna ask, where did these people come from? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get views even with your 0 subscriber. Now, this channel has about 78 subscribers, but I already have a video that has more than 300 views. Where did they come from? That is what I'll be teaching you in this video. See, I like saying this: to get subscribers on YouTube is not difficult. You know what is a bit difficult? To get watch time. Because in a situation where your videos are doing very well, people are watching, the tendency of them subscribing is very, very high. And getting subscribers is very, very simple. Like, it should be the least thing on your mind. Instead, you should focus on people who will love your videos, who will watch your video to a reasonable amount of time. Do you understand? So that you can gather watch time. Subscribers, you can get them easily posting short. Now guys, let me tell you something. Most times some persons reach out to me telling me that, oh, that they are stuck here on YouTube, they are not getting views. Most times I go through their channel. Once I go through their channel, I'll just realize that maybe there is a particular niche they were into as at then. One thing led to another. They are no longer focusing on that particular niche, or maybe they were using other people's content on their own channel. So at some point they are now forced to delete it, because you know, here on YouTube you cannot monetize with other people's content. All the content on your channel have to be yours. You understand? So once they go ahead to delete the content, most times people might not watch this recent content again, knowing fully well that the subscribers that you have came in through the previous thing that you were always doing. You understand? So at that point, I am always advising, if you are stuck and your channel is more than 5 years, the best thing for you to do is for you to create a new YouTube channel. The algorithm favors new channels the more. So instead of you struggling with your old channel, why not go ahead to create a new YouTube channel? Once you create a new YouTube channel, do not let your mind start beating. Where will you get people to watch? Where will you get people to subscribe? Don't worry. What I did in this my channel is what I'll be telling you in this video. Now, once you create a new YouTube channel and start uploading with 0 subscriber, the first thing you have to do after uploading your video is for you to promote that your video. Now, when I talk about promoting your video, I am not telling you to pay people outside YouTube to promote your channel or promote your video for you. It might not be liked by YouTube. So this is what you have to do. If you do it this way, YouTube will not have issues with you. You go on Facebook. Once you go on Facebook, you will see groups that are YouTube related. You can always share your videos. After uploading on YouTube for like 1 hour, you share your videos to those groups. Trust me, people will definitely come from Facebook to come and watch your video. You can share on Twitter, your WhatsApp status, and all those places. People will definitely come around to watch your video. Now, after doing that, this is the second thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do, let's assume you do entertainment news. This is what you have to do. You need to visit other channels, other top YouTubers who do same thing that you do on YouTube. Now, once you go to their comment section, you can write it there that you are willing to grow. You understand? That you are willing to grow. Whoever wants to grow with you should come, let you both grow together. But before they subscribe to your YouTube channel, they should first of all watch your video. After watching, that is when they should subscribe, and you are going to do same. Now, let me tell you what is going to happen. Some persons are going to subscribe to your YouTube channel the right way. And when I talk about the right way, I am talking about watching your video first before subscribing. Some persons will subscribe the wrong way. That is just coming to your YouTube channel, subscribing, and off they go. Now, for the persons who subscribe to the wrong wrong way, YouTube is going to remove all those subscriptions. For the ones who subscribe to the right way, YouTube will allow all those subscriptions to stay. That is how you'll begin to have subscribers. Now, the tendency of you having the right subscribers this time around is very, very high, because you're into entertainment and you're going to an entertainment channel, meaning that literally almost everybody who will be watching that video, who will be connecting with you in that comment section, are people who watch entertainment news once they come on YouTube. So the tendency of them coming across your own entertainment news, your own entertainment video one of these days is very, very high. And if your thumbnail is very, very captivating, if your thumbnail is eye-catchy, the tendency of them watching your video any of these days is very, very high. I don't know if you understand me. You understand? So once you do this, is another way for you to get subscribers without wasting time. Now, the third thing that you should do is this: you need to interact with other YouTubers. Interact with other YouTubers. Let them get to know you. You understand? See, most persons on this YouTube platform, nobody knows you. Like, if you do not post a video for like 2 days, nobody will even look for you. You see my other channel, when I stopped posting for about 1 week or 2 weeks, some persons were reaching out to me. My subscribers were reaching out to me via comments, via my mail, via phone calls and all of that. So let people know you. Once you interact with them, you can collaborate with those persons that you feel comfortable with. You understand? So if you guys stay in the same city, you guys can meet, you do videos together, you post it on your own channel, the other person will post on his or her own channel. Before you know it, your audience is seeing his or her own audience, your own audience is seeing his or her own audience as well. You understand? Before you know it, you guys will grow together. This is the right way for you to collaborate. You understand? So when collaborating, ensure you collaborate with someone that does something similar with what you do. The fourth thing that you should do if you need more subscribers on YouTube is for you to have more than one device. If you do not have more than one device, please, you can use that of your neighbor, that of your cousins, that of the persons around you. It can be your friend. Use their phones to watch your video. Do not hotspot. Do not hotspot, because in a situation where you hotspot, use your phone to hotspot your friend's phone to watch your video using their own YouTube channel. It will be showing your own IP address, and at the end of the day, YouTube will remove all those
watch us
thinking that you are the one watching. So if you, after uploading your video, you can get phones from your siblings, you can get from your neighbor, anybody closer to you. You get their phones, use it to watch your videos. Once you use it to watch your video, your click-through rate will be high, and once your click-through rate is high, the tendency of the algorithm pushing your videos to more persons is high. Now imagine your video having like 10 million impressions. 10 million impressions means that your video has gotten to 10 million people. You understand? Now, depending on how interesting your video is, out of this 10 million impression, at least 1,000 persons might click on your video. So out of the 1,000 persons, at least 100 persons might subscribe. So imagine you getting 100 subscribers every day, or getting 100 subscribers after two days, or getting 100 subscribers after 1 week. That is a good number for you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.